5.6 million vehicles and 167 destinations, and one global powerhouse. In 2025, Japan didn't only export cars, it dominated the roads of the world. Let's find out how, which, where, how much, and more. "2025 has been nothing short of legendary for Japan's automotive industry. While the world whispers about shifting the global market towards the electric vehicles, Japan sent a clear message to every corner of the globe by exporting 5.6 million vehicles. That's more than 470,000 cars leaving Japanese ports every single month, or 15,000 units a day. In other words, 650 cars per hour. Isn't that massive? It's all about the high-tech precision of Japanese engineered brand new cars and the unbreakable legacy of the used vehicles that literally keeps the world moving. Let's talk about brand new car exports. Despite 1% drop compared to past year, brand new car exports reached almost 4 million units. And there's one king which stands above the rest, the United States. It occupies 34% of the Japan's brand new car exports, which is about 1.3 million units. Take a look at the list of the countries which are importing new cars from Japan. Used cars, the segment that just made a history. We witnessed a remarkable achievement as 1.7 million Japanese used cars found new homes around the world. It isn't just a number. It is the highest export volume in history. From the city streets of Australia to the rugged terrains of Malawi, 1.7 million drivers chose reliability of Japanese vehicles as their primary rides. There's not much surprise in the list of top used car importing countries. Sri Lanka market was reopened in 2025 and their import jumped from 0 to 63,000 units in a single year. Take a look. Shipping millions of cars is a logistical miracle. 51% of the used cars were delivered by containers, while 49% was by Ro-Ro vessels. The shipping method entirely depends on the destination port, shipping rates, and customers' preference. Countries like New Zealand, Russia, Jamaica almost exclusively use Ro-Ro. It's fast, simple, and cost-effective for high-volume, drivable vehicles. Landlocked or infrastructure-limited countries like Mongolia, Georgia, Namibia, Chile rely on containers. Containers offer better protection from the elements and allow for extra car parts to be shipped inside the car, which Ro-Ro strictly forbids. The average price of these 1.7 million used cars was $6,850. Do you think it's expensive or reasonable? Let me mention the top-selling models in Japanese used cars market. In hatchback category, Honda Fit, Toyota Aqua, Nissan Note, Suzuki Swift. City drive sedans, Toyota Crown, Subaru Legacy, Nissan Latio, Toyota Axio. Rugged SUVs, Toyota RAV4, Mazda CX-5, Subaru Forester, Nissan X-Trail. Family minivans, Toyota Noah, Nissan Serena, Honda Odyssey, Toyota Alphard. Commercial wagons, Nissan Edivan, Toyota Fielder, Subaru Impreza, Toyota Wish. You see this logo? Autocom Japan is contributing to the total exports of Japan with more than 100,000 used vehicles. When we look toward 2026, the industry faces new challenges. The US tariffs and the global push for electric vehicles. But for now, Japan remains as world's garage. Whether it's a brand new SUV for a family in California or a reliable hatchback for a commuter in Nairobi, the Japanese vehicles go beyond the exports. They drive the world's mobility. That's all for today. If you find this video informative, leave it a like and comment. Stay tuned for more automotive insights from Japan. Cheers!